If only it was so easy when we were younger to do that. What's the password? Look, Dad, there's the parachute.
Oh, save your neighbor. Oh, oops. Oh, sorry, Pete. Oh, hey, where'd you get that sweat outfit?
Dad, that's not Mr. P. The Pirate King. I need my.
They sure are gonna be sore when they find out he's a used car salesman.
We gotta help them. I like how I make it. Final stage.
This game is so stupid. Give me a block.
What?
Oh. I'm sorry. Die.
No! Fuck.
I love you too.
I hate you so much.
Wait.
Fuck you.
What? I didn't even notice. You didn't notice either.
God!
I heard the sound too.
I heard the sound.
It seemed like, wait, what? Oh, bitch.
Karma's a bitch.
Fucking whore. Fuck you. What the fuck?
Shit.
Me up, bitch.
Try and get him. He's like, boom.
What the fuck?
Max has such an angry face.
I'm me.
Look at him. He's
I'm
like,
me.
ah, ah, ah.
Okay.
Oh,
Kill the
God.
dog. Kill him. Oh.
The Jamaican dog has been helping us this whole time. Wait, kick that. Now you're fucked up. Go back. Go back.
Oh, you fucked up.
You can't kick 2 blocks. Fuck you. That's a conveyor belt. I remember this one. God, that's the swords.
Oh shit.
What? My headphones fell off. Like when I was like, "Oh, did you give your dog a bath?" I'm like, "No." She's like, "Well, I said yes." Did I feed him? I'm like, "Yeah."
Have to blow up the door.
That block has to go.
It's pretty easy.
Yeah. There's 2 ways of doing it, but I don't know. You gotta, yeah.
I mean, like, kill me, motherfucker. There we go.
Oh, this one changes, by the way.
Oh, you're probably the best one to do it. Ow.
Hold on. Move.
Damn it.
You need the key anyways.
Run. God damn it!
You need to get over there.
I missed the door. All you gotta do is do that. Where are you going? The one on the right?
We didn't miss the door. We went up that door.
Oh, we didn't.
Oh, it did? I touched it with my penis. Oh crap.
Fuck.
Get the banana.
What is that?
Ow. I don't know, it wasn't me. Wait. Oh, fall.
Oh, so another door over there.
We need another one.
I know, there might be in the door.
Yeah, but we only have one. Fuck! You have to get that one over there somehow. Oh wait, no. There you go.
See?
Once you have discarded the 7th seat, well, fuck him, an asshole. Back.
Dun, 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 dun.
Really?
Wow.
Okay. I have a bad feeling. Oh, I met this guy. Ring the bell. You gotta get him to push, open that.
Come here, piggy!
It's funny how all this is coming back to me now. All this is coming back to me now.
Fucking. I have to come back
No.
in here.
Probably. It's over here. True. Yeah, we're gonna need 2 grappling hooks either way here. Oh! Oh. That doesn't affect them. Oh sh! Why is he calling it? Ah, fuck.
What?
Oops.
What?
No, let me.
I don't know.
What's that noise?
I hear it. It's
You hear it, right? What? That's between us. But you hear it too. What are you doing? Oh.
What are you doing? Why you keep killing him?
There's nothing in here we need except the diamond probably. We need to go find the key. Let's get this one so on our way. No, the one that's over here, so on our way back we have both of them. We can grab the other one. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Come here, piggy. Oink, 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 oink. Dinner time. Dinner time.
Go through the door. You hook? Wait, let's look around and see if there's anything we didn't miss. Oh, there's a guy there. Oops.
It's a good Joey.
Fucking. God. Thank you. Oh, this one, there is one. We just need the key in the middle. So. That's fine. Just kick that one over there. All the way to the end. Just need the key. Shit. There you go. Just wait.
But I want the other stuff.
We can get after. Remember, every starts. Let's kick that one up. No,
Okay, okay.
There you go.
Oh,
You have the key. Where are you going? Up. I forgot that was there.
They didn't.
Messed up. Yeah, you wouldn't be able to kick that block. Fuck!
What? We're rich!
Treasure!
Oh shit.
Can't see the other arrow. Oh, they're all down. Just stay over there. Can't see this one. Fuck, I can't see the one. Ah, I can't see. I cannot see, mother
Yeah,
apple.
go to the down one.
They're all down, aren't they? Fuck! Oh my god. Impossible! Go! Fuck. No. Lonnie can go through squares anyways. Up.
Ah, he's fucked up.
Down. Down. Ah!
Wait, I need to go back.
If I fell, I would have fucking been so mad at myself right now.
God damn it!
Whatever. Shit. Shit. I'm trying to speedrun it. I want to do it in one go. Damn it! Fuck! I'll play your game, damn it. Ah! On. Go to the door. Wait. Wait. I think we're lost. Yep. Fuck!
What the?
Fuck! Ah! Okay. You love holes, holy.
Yeah, I got 2 weapons now.
Bitch. What are you doing?
Yes.
Not so easy, is it? No, because you fucked up. You can't get out of it. I do.
You know you could have been pressed start, right?
You know my life, fool. I know, I just want to watch you fail. Okay, that one down. That one. That one out the way. This music.
Where you going? Or did we go that way?
I was trying to reset the hole.
Ah, I heard it again.
Ah, what the f—
Oh no, we can't even go this way.
Where's that random Mickey coming up from? Yeah, that's the other way then. I got us lost.
Hit him with that dick.
Go, go, go. This
Oh,
way.
we gotta redo it.
Ah, oh shit. Fuck. Fuck. Damn it. No, we're not gonna have enough, so we have to restart it. Fuck.
Ow.
Ah! I mean to. It's all on you.
Almost
Because
died.
you one shot.
Bitch.
Stop
starring that block.
I don't know.
I know. Shut up.
He said stop fucking that block.
It's wonderful. You can't tell somebody to stop this fucking block.
Then this way, right? Yeah. And then this block needs to go away. Fuck you. Yeah, fuck it. Fuck! I'm trying to speedrun it.
Why'd you?
Alright, just get those. It looks like you just humped the shit out of me.
I'm rich again!
This is the puzzle one. I can't see. No. Diamond. Wait. Fuck. Gut! Okay. Alright. Where's the block? That's what I'm looking for. Right here.
I don't know.
Where's the puzzle part? Where we have to put it? There's a block here
Lost
too.
key. Come get the grapple. That's all we need. We just need the key. Wait, I need to get the grapple.
I guess he's.
There is no puzzle here. I don't want to go back that way. Booyah!
Oh.
The one on the right.
Wait, which door is it?
Yeah.
Oh, on the right. Like knife easier.
Yeah.
You're Venus today. God damn it.
Got my penis back! Take it. Now the real Keyhole Pete has returned. The whale went and spit him out. Those imposters are doomed for sure. I'll fuck you in the butt. Like that. Okay. Come on, Maxie!
Oh fuck! I wasn't looking.
Ow. Oh shit.
Oh, this music's getting on my nerves. Oh wait, don't touch it, don't touch it, don't touch it. I got it. Take down over there to the other wall. Yes! Eat my dick. What
the f-
no, what the f- okay.
Yeah, I think it's Ole.
You hear that, right? Oh. Eat my... Turn it. Yeah. Try to do that way.
What that's?
Double kill.